Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can change or set the download preferences for the Play Store app on basically any Android device. Please note that we highly recommend that you update both the Play Store and the Android on your smartphone to the latest available version. So let's go ahead and start. In order to access the setting, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of your display, go for settings. Here, expand the network preferences category and tap on app download preference. And here you are able to choose either over any network, so that means that the app download will proceed even on the mobile data or on the Wi-Fi as well, just over the Wi-Fi. So once you do not have the Wi-Fi connection active, you will not be able to download an app, so you will not spend the mobile data on your device. And another dessert value which asks me every time, which stands for the fact that once you will try to download any app from the Play Store, it will specifically ask you what modes you want to download it in, either over the Wi-Fi only, or you can use any network that is available. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.